Hi people, welcome back to the channel. This is our newest project. So some of my viewers were there. You guys will probably recognize this or remember this. This guy's been sitting for, I don't know, about 3 years, 2 years, 2 or 3 years, something like that, I'm told. So I just picked it up. I'm gonna get this bad boy back up to its former glory. So this is an 09 335i. So first wash right here in like 3 years. I mean, it's kind of hard to see what this thing is. Filthy. It has been sitting. I did get it running so that I could get it out and get it going, but it is filthy. Needs some work. Little things here and there need to be fixed up. Not a big deal. You guys know my forte. These are my kind of car right here. I know how to work on these guys, so for me, not a big deal. Interesting. That door right there is not shutting all the way. To look into that. Cool. Otherwise, yeah. I was here for it. So good. So much better already. Crazy. Oof, my GoPro might die. I'll post you up back here. There's a little bit of a back action here. A little back action. cleaning. It's still up. Alright. This battery's gonna die. I'll change the battery. Alright, your after result. Yeah, this is a basic scrub down. I didn't sit here and detail it. I literally just gave it a good scrub down. Needs to be, needs some polishing. Needs some wax for sure. But yeah, man. Thing surely cleaned up well. Woo. So much better. Okay, so interior engine bay, trunk, all coming up next. Stay tuned.